You did it. You survived week 1. And now moving on to week 2, which you're going to like what we're going to do. We're doing order of operations. You were really great at this, and I know that having done it before and now doing it again, you're going to be able to spiral back on those concepts, which you were already doing so awesome at. Some of the videos that I've posted are going to say PEMDAS, the P for parentheses, and then I'll use GEMDAS, the G for grouping symbols, because not will we only see parentheses, but we're also going to see brackets in some problems. So I think the G is more appropriate. So let's jump right into it. And here's the anchor chart that I've prepared for you guys. You will see GEMDAS, order of operations. So in this problem, 5 times 10 minus 8 plus 5 divided by 5 times 5, I've highlighted all my operations that I have. I've got parentheses, I've got subtraction inside, addition, division, and multiplication. So looking at this, grouping symbols comes first. Well, inside of the grouping symbol it says 10 minus 8, and so we know that's 2. Once you've solved your grouping symbol, you rewrite the entire thing out. So it's 5 times 2 plus 5 divided by 5 times 5. Then again, you look here and you see no more grouping symbols are left, because this one is technically 5 times 2. Plus 5 divided by 5 times 5. So we've got to take care of our multiplication first, because we are not dealing with any exponents, and multiplication or division, whichever comes first, is the next step. 5 times 2 is 10. Then rewrite the rest of it. Plus 5 divided by 5 times 5. So let's look back. Any more grouping symbols? No. No exponents. Multiplication or division? Yes. We've got addition, division, and multiplication. This time we're going to do the division first, because it's multiply or divide, whichever comes first. So we'll rewrite 10 plus, and then 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 5. Then we look over to the side again. We've got addition, multiplication. Well, you got to multiply before you add. So 10 plus 1 times 5 will be rewritten as 10 plus 5, because 1 times 5 is 5, for a final answer of 15. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, and good luck. Let's get this week 2 done even better than week 1, which is going to be hard because you did so awesome in week 1. Bye.